What up, tubes? So this is a bulb out of an old Kenmore I'm about to show you in just a moment. This is a door switch out of that same Kenmore, seen better days. Man, this thing was like impossible to get the hell out of there. I didn't know this was on there, so I went on ahead and ordered it, and here's the parts right meow off Amazon.com. This is more than likely the original equipment. My relative is who I got the fridge from, and this is the original equipment. I don't think that this is an old Sylvania. It may be, but I doubt it, since they bought the fridge new in '94. My roper is going to my wife's brother because he needs a fridge. So to save him some money, I decided that, why not give him the fridge that still works. The Kenmore works, even though it's damn near as old as I am. So let's go take a look at it. Here is said fridge. Yes, I know I need to clean it out better, but you're not the one using it. This still works. I know, I need to clean it out better. There, I've said it twice. Still gets cold as ice. As you can see, here's the wires for the switch. They go up in meow. Old school fridge, and there is where the bulb goes. Right meow. For those of you that can't figure it out. Good old classic Kenmore. There you go. There's the series. Wow. They don't make them like this no more. So my cousin bought this in '94, and it's still kicking. It's still going to this day. They had it in a garage. They upgraded. So I said, yeah, I'll take it. And this door is reversible because it says right here, reversible. Now this is not going to stay in my garage. It's going to go inside. And I know there's a mess over here. Don't worry about it. It's a garage. But once I get the roper out, I'll put this one in here. And I'm trying to get this up to temperature so that I can get it inside. And, this is just a backup fridge. This is the second fridge. The main fridge is a Whirlpool side-by-side. But to be honest, it's nice to have a different, or I should say a second fridge. This was covered in dirt and shit, so I took some Purple Power, which is this stuff right meow, and I cleaned it up as well as I could with a brush, and got all the crap off of it because it had been in my cousin's garage running for, and I know I better go catch it, but it had been in her garage for shit. Her and her husband had this thing for at least in the garage maybe probably a decade, maybe not that long. I don't know, but I'll clean all this up eventually. If you don't like it, I don't care. But with the prices of fridges now, you can't beat an old school fridge like this, man. You just can't. They don't make them like this anymore. This is heavier than the side-by-side in the kitchen. This is heavier than the Roper. That's probably 10 years newer than this. So I'm gonna do some research on that series right there and see when they came out with this. And when I update you on the parts sometime tomorrow, I'll let you know exactly how old this fridge actually is, because they haven't put wood grain like this on a fridge in probably going on 40 years. So stay tuned. And I know some people may not like this video, and I don't really care. You know, it doesn't matter to me. All that matters is that we keep these old school appliances going. We keep them alive, because this new stuff ain't hitting on shit. What up, tubes? Here is the part right here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. There you go. Got it off Amazon. Came with 2. You see the other one right here. So you can't mix these up, all right? You just can't, because they're different sizes. But as soon as and we have light. There we go. Y'all know what that is, and you know what that's for. I've got some Carolina Reaper sauce coming, and I'm gonna cook some of these bad boys in the crock pot next week. So, oh yeah. So what we're gonna do is just shove this bitch back up in here. Got it nice and good and working again. The bulb, well, I was supposed to get the bulb elsewhere, but Amazon didn't come through. And I know it needs to be cleaned and all of that on here, and I don't care. We have light. It works. I put a thing of water in here. I'll clean all this up before I put it in the house. Probably grab some 409 and just wipe it down and stuff. But I put a bottle of water in there just to see if the freezer part is working correctly. And it's ice cold, naturally. The ice maker still works, like I've said before. And I don't have it hooked up, obviously, but it's doing its thing if I did, or it would be. So, once again, we have light. Great second fridge. Thanks for watching.